I am going to paint the landscape or kind of landscape art, and on the layers I have, this is the background, and on this folder is the sky layer. I use pen fit airbrush and pen fit to draw the blue, and then I put it color in some very lighter tones of blue, and then I smudge everything. On this folder is this like the crystal, like these mountains, purple mountains. So here is the base color, and layer 4 is the shadows and highlights. Layer 5 I put in various variation of a purple color. Layer 6 I put in some lights, gradation of lights, and layer 7 is the like the rim light on the edges of the mountain. And then this folder is the moon, where I have this layer 10 is the moon shape, so I draw in the moon shape and add Gaussian blur, and also add some color. And then layer 9 and layer 8 and layer 9 is the glow effect around the moon, and I also add in some brightness and contrast adjustments for the final effect. And let's watch the speed paint video. Normally when I start to paint, I block in the shapes for the mountain using the color, though in the end I end up just using a benefit brush, because I was just trying to use some texture brush. So as you can see on the sky, I put in layer of blue color, and then some white colors, and then I smudge them together to form a clouds. Here I block in the shapes. So I trying to paint in the base color again, and then after that I will uh, paint in the shadows after that. I use the lasso tool to help me form the shapes, the organic shapes for the mountains, and just add some textures on the sides of the mountains, on every plains of the mountain. um, and I put in a variation of colors on the mountain using a texture brush, just to give the mountain a bit more texture. And then I'm continuing to add in some lights. I was just testing out with certain texture brush. So in the end, I'm just using the pen fit brush, and here I am drawing the moon, and I'm using the lasso eraser to shape the crescent moon shape. And I add in Gaussian blur and set the layer opacity to add, and color dodge, uh, and in the end I also add in the uh, brightness and contrast adjustments. And that's how I paint the this night landscape